This chemical killed thousands of people. During the 1970s, scientists noticed that a chemical found in refrigerators was potentially harming the ozone layer. But why do we need the ozone? To understand, you have to know that the sun emits light of different wavelengths. One of these is UV light that causes skin cancer and weakens your immune system. The ozone from this layer is protecting you from these waves. This chemical we just talked about breaks the ozone layer and lets the harmful UV through the atmosphere, causing global warming and potentially cancer. Subscribe and write down in the comments if you know what this chemical is. But did you know that